Emily and I'm the mama behind Mama Needs a Project. And today I'm going to show you how to make a scrap wood snowflake right here. Oh, this way. I just finished this up. I made it out of fence pickets, some scrap 1x2 boards, and a little scrap piece of plywood. It's a super easy project, even if you're a beginner. There are some angled cuts in here, but I'll go over that in the video. I promise it's not hard. For this project, the fence pickets are actually these skinny 1-inch wide pieces. I already had a bunch of 1-inch wide pieces of fence picket that I had cut with my table saw a while ago for a different project, so you won't see that on the video. Also, I made the back for this on a different day, so you'll see some outfit changes here because this happened over a couple days. I do have some printable woodworking plans for you guys, so if you want to make your own, you can print out the plans, and that makes it super easy to make at home. You don't have to refer to a video or blog post or whatever. The plans have got like their supplies list and then all the instructions for making them. To download the plans, you'll just go to the link that I'll post below the video. It'll take you to my blog post that talks about making the snowflake, and then there'll be a link to get the plans. This project turned out super cute. It's a great way to work through some of your scrap wood. As you can see, I have a lot. It did not make a very big dent in my scrap wood pile, but it's cute and I like it, and it's some cute, fun holiday decor. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them in the comments below the video, or you can comment on the blog post if you head over to the blog. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye. Okay guys, real quick, I wanted to show you how I am cutting these little arrow pieces that we're using for the snowflake. All I'm doing is taking the 1x2 and cutting it at a 45-degree angle, and then once I do that, I'm flipping it over, and you can see on here I've drawn a little line just straight across from where the first angle was. And then I go ahead and cut another 45-degree angle the other way to give it the point on the end. Then after I've done that, I have been measuring out the length. This one is pretty short, so I've been measuring out the length from the tip down to how long I need it, and just cutting it off so that then my used piece is actually here on the cutoff side, instead of having to put my fingers super close to the blade and get super nervous. I'm just cutting it off on the cutoff side here. I'm gonna keep the camera. I probably should have moved it to talk to you, but here we are. I'm gonna keep it at this angle while I'm cutting out the rest of my little pointed pieces so that you can see what I'm doing on the saw and kind of see what I'm talking about. All right. Eh. Here you can see the line I've drawn across, and then I'll just set it up on the saw so that the blade intersects that line.